Alfred Bernard Nobel was born in Stockholm on October 21, 1833. Along with his brother Emil, he started a factory for manufacture of explosives and also to gain more information about an explosive material called nitroglycerin through various experiments in 1859. During their research, an immense explosion killed his brother Emil and other people. Nobel realized that he had to develop a safe way to handle, transport, and use nitroglycerin. He mixed the nitroglycerin with silica and formed a dough-like paste that could be molded into any shape. He called this compound dynamite. Soon after, he developed a blasting cap also which would safely detonate the dynamite. Since then, dynamite has been used extensively in blasting of rocks, as ammunition for cannons, etc. Though Nobel was against the use of dynamite in wars, it was widely used as a weapon during World War I. Nobel did not want to be known as a man who had developed the most destructive weapon that the world had ever seen, but rather as a man who loved literature and poetry and peace. In order to fulfill this ambition, he established awarding prizes for people who made great contributions to humankind in the fields of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace. These prizes came to be known as Nobel Prizes and are being awarded every year since 1901. The prize consists of a gold medal, a diploma, and a cash award, which at present is equal to 1.145 million US dollars. That's around 8.5 crore Indian rupees. Notable Indians among recipients of the award include Rabindranath Tagore, Sir C.V. Raman, Mother Teresa, Amartya Sen, and Kailash Satyarthi. Thereafter, Nobel went on to develop more inventions and overall had 355 patents, most significant of them being synthetic rubber, leather, and artificial silk. Such a great personality he is. Salute to his intelligence and generosity with which he established one of the premier prize awards in the world.